Okay, welcome to the next tutorial, guys. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pencil. So what you want to do is go to edit mode. Then we're going to press Control R and just loop cut it in the middle there. And then we're just going to loop cut it in the middle there, so that we've got this X going on. We're going to go ahead and select the side vertices right here. So we're going to go 1, 2, don't forget to hold down Shift, 3, and 4, and then we're just going to press scale, but we're going to hold it so that it goes across the x-axis, and then we're going to go ahead and press S again for scale, and then go across the y-axis. Okay, so now you have this basic shape, and this will be the basic shape of your pencil. So we're going to just select all the top axes right here, and we're just going to go G and bring this all the way up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make the tip of the pencil right here. So we're going to go E for extrude. And then we're just going to scale it in just slightly. E for extrude. Scale it inwards. We're just going to go downwards just slightly. So this is the part that's been kind of chopped off as you've sharpened it. I'm just going to press shade smooth right there, and then to add the pointed bit, we're just going to add a cone. Press G, bring it upwards, and then we're going to scale it just as such, so it looks like it's been sharpened. And then we're just going to take this and just scale it outwards so that it just fits your shape. Scale it downwards just slightly. Then we're going to go into edit mode. We're going to go Control R. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go next ray 1 second. I'm just going to select the space right here. Going to press G, bring it up. Oops. Don't know what happened then. Yeah. So, select the base, press G, bring it up a little bit. Just. Actually, you know what? I could leave it like that. And then I could duplicate this. Press G, just move that up. So now we've got 2 of them. And then I'm just going to go ahead and scale this down. So this is going to be the tip of the pencil right here. Just make sure that just fits over the top. We're going to go into materials. Just change this to a black. Make sure that you're in cycles for the render engine. So it's going to be a black base colour. For some reason isn't changing to black, but and then this base colour here, let's see, I'm going to select the lights in here so you guys can see a little better. We'll place this as a sun. For this one in particular, we'll add just kind of a light shade there. This is a little bit too strong. I'm just going to turn this down a little bit. Oops. So now we can see that we've got the shade going on. So the piece that's underneath just needs to come out on top. Just scale it outwards a little bit. Should be able to see that. So this is the basic pencil shape. We're going to shade these smooth. And then this one in particular, we can change the colour to this, so maybe we'll go with a green or a red or a yellow. I'm going to go with a green. Scale that just downwards, just slightly. And then for the end, we can make a pencil as like the tip of the pencil, like the rubber bit, or the eraser. So just go E for extrude, scale it outwards just slightly, and then E for extrude, and then E for extrude again, scale inwards, and then E for extrude, and then we can go E for extrude again, scale inwards, E for extrude, scale inwards, and that will be the eraser part. So if I just put this onto the side and then press X-ray, I can take this part, let's see, press plus, new, change that to a red material, click assign. This part here that's in the middle, we could do plus, click new, assign, and then we want to make this just a deeper grey and then make it more metallic. And there's your basic pencil that you can use in whatever projects that you want. If you want to add to it, feel free. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, guys.